This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.
Alante here, over at the Delphi booth. We're about to go check out their wireless charging connectivity. Check it out.
Our international CES 2013 coverage is sponsored in part by GoDaddy.com. Get domain names, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers, all easy to manage and configure. GoDaddy has all your web needs. Visit TPN.TV/GoDaddy for special offers.
I'm here with Robert. What do you have going on here? Tell me about this.
Well, we have great new technology we're displaying here at the show. One of those technologies is magnetic resonant-based charging systems. The benefit of these types of charging systems are most of the standards that are out there today. You have to have a mobile device. It has to be placed in very close proximity to that mobile device. So if you move that device around, you'll notice that the thing will not maintain a charge. The flexibility we have with our devices are we can charge over a greater distance and also have the ability to have the device float around, which is much more appropriate for us in an automotive environment.
So let me ask you this. One of the popular wireless charging standards is Qi. Are you using Qi as well?
No, we're not looking at Qi for this type of application. Again, Qi is a wonderful standard, but for us in automotive, it's a very difficult standard to try to maintain. We have to have pretty close relationship between the mobile device and that charging pad. With our technology, we actually can charge over a greater distance. So if you can see the mobile device, we can take that mobile device, you just get it near the field. We can trigger on the field and actually show a charge indicator even on the display. The other thing that's unique with our type of charging is we can charge multiple devices. So if we have a device that is in need of charge, we can take a look at the one that's the highest in regards to percentage of the charge and be able to maybe move that one off the system and go right to the one that has the lowest.
Okay, so a little bit of a hierarchy going on there then.
Correct.
Cool. And what kind of surfaces are you looking for to maybe have this technology? Are you going to keep it like in that general area of like the shift, or are you looking for other areas within the vehicle to do something like that?
Right. So we're very flexible in regards to how we can package, and again, that's another great thing about what we're doing. Because we can charge over a greater distance and allow that device to float around. We can charge, let's say, in a center console area, maybe a mat. We can charge in a cup holder, we can charge on the back of a seat, we can charge in a headrest. So we're very flexible. We can work with the OEMs on the car manufacturers, the guys that are integrating those interiors. We can move those all through the vehicle.
Well, I'll tell you what, I want to be able to set my phone on top of my car and charge it. We're going to take a short break. We'll come back to you, but here's a word from our sponsors.
Every company needs a website, but not every company needs the expense of a big website project. With GoDaddy's new website builder, you can build one yourself. You get your domain, get your hosting, and then use the builder that has thousands of templates built in, and the templates are even mobile ready so that you can be prepared for the shift to mobile. It's really easy, saves a lot of time because nobody has the time or the energy to put into building a website, so let GoDaddy do the hard work for you. And for our CES 2013 viewers, we've got a special. If you use the promo code WST50 at checkout, you can get 50% off your website builder subscription. For that promo code and all of our other show specials, you can go to TPN.TV/GoDaddy.
And we're back. So one of the big things that I would like to know, and I'm sure my fans would like to know as well, and viewers and listeners, is when is this available to the general public, and how much will this technology cost us, or will it be integrated with some of our popular cars that will be coming out within this year, next year, and so on?
Okay, sure. So in regards to maturity of the product, we've done a lot of testing on these base systems. We know that we can package these things in the vehicle. We understand our automotive environment. That's what Delphi is all about. And we are working again with the standards industries, so we want to bring all those standards together. We really feel that those standards should be able to be released by the end of the year, which would put us in about the 2015 model year for vehicle implementation.
That sounds great. And will there be something that we can add on? Maybe if we want to trick out our cars, some of our little Hondas or something like that, will we be able to buy this and upgrade our car if we like? Or is it just packaged with certain cars?
Right. At this point, we're working directly with the car manufacturers and those system, or the integrators that are doing the interiors. And we're always willing to look at possibility of doing something else, but at this point, we've been working directly with those. Once we can meet all the OEM system requirements, we can obviously go after those other markets. Right.
Sounds good. Well, I'm going to talk this guy into having them sell it directly to me so I can put it in my Honda. But for all this and more, stay tuned into F5Live.TV and TPN.TV, a part of the Tech Podcast Network. Thank you.
This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.